So, around a month ago, I told my stepsister she could wax my legs when I hit 2,500 subscribers. I hit 2,500 subscribers. I didn't think I would that fast, but I did, and now I have to wax my legs. So, we have wax. And I'm debating my life choices. So this is the person that's going to be waxing my legs today. She's very excited about it, to see me in pain. So, yeah. Let's do this. These wax strips are very large. And they're going to go on my leg. Help. You gotta, like, rub them against your hands. You gotta, like, rub them against your hands to, like, warm them up, and then you, like, put them on your leg. I'm out of breath.
You're stalling.
I'm not stalling.
You're stalling.
I'm not stalling. I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. You think this is enough?
I mean, is it enough?
I don't know. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, it is. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna move my mic down here, and we're putting my leg up right here. Turn my light on, just so we have a clear view. We're good.
Oh, those fabulous legs.
Oh yeah, don't mind all the trash.
Move your hands.
Move us. God, Oh, that. I don't like that. That's a lot of wax. Are you sure this is a good idea? Oh God, it's on. Oh God. Oh no.
Ready?
I guess. Oh!
Ooh.
Ow! Owie! Ow! Oh! Oh! Hold on. Oh! I don't know if that hurt. Okay. Oh! That was sensitive.
Look at that hair.
Stop! Oh, that hurts so much. Wait.
We gotta get that little patch.
No, that's art. No, why? Did you push it down on the? Oh, you.
You'll be fine.
No,
Stop being a baby.
I'm not.
You are.
I'm not. This hurts.
3,
Oh.
2.
Oh no! Stop! Oh! Oh, I don't like this. This is not.
Okay.
Oh no.
3, 2. Man, look at them clean legs.
God. Oh. I'm hiding the immense amount of pain I'm in right now.
You're not doing very well.
Shut up. You're enjoying this.
Oh, yeah.
You're in. God. You missed.
Oh!
that
wasn't not good.
That wasn't. The lavender patches.
Oh, they're not lavender patches.
They are. It says post-wax cleansing towelette with lavender oil.
Well, that doesn't make it a lavender patch.
It is. That's exactly what that means.
You're stalling.
I'm not. I gotta get this gunk off my ankle. It's so painful. I don't. People do this. Like, they choose to do this.
Females do this, like,
Why?
a lot.
Why?
Because it makes you smooth.
I don't like.
It's okay, now we're going to the top part.
I hate everything. I hate you. I hate wax. I hate my legs.
That's not gonna make it hurt any less.
I'm gonna have to go through and shave these. We're only going up to my knee. You're not going.
Obviously.
God.
No.
Dandelions and roses.
But it feels like dandelions and roses.
It definitely feels like a rose bush.
I'm having so much fun. This is such a good activity. I'm so glad.
I'm so glad we're bonding together in this moment.
Yep. Absolutely.
That was a sensitive spot. Sensitive.
You know, they all seem like sensitive spots.
Yeah, but that one was like a sensitive spot.
I bet.
Don't do it there again.
I'm not doing it there again. I'm moving it.
Where are you doing it? Oh, that's the last one I'm doing. That is the last one I'm doing. Okay. My leg is in a lot of pain right now.
Oh, but it's so soft.
Stop. Thank you. Don't do that. Like, don't wax your legs. It's not a fun experience. To be honest with you, I wouldn't do it again. Probably not. So thanks guys, like, for watching the video and stuff. I hope you enjoyed me in pain. She did.
Always.
She did. But thanks guys so much for watching. Thank you for 2,500. My name is Michael from Polygon Island. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.